Welcome to our channel where we share tips and tricks on how to make money promoting digital softwares. Whether you are a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting out, we have got valuable insights and strategies to help you succeed in this lucrative industry. With the rise of digital products, there's never been a better time to get started. Be sure to subscribe and like this video because YouTube is telling me that about 90% of you guys watching my videos are not subscribed. Make sure to watch this video to the end and please do not skip any part of this video since you might end up skipping important parts that may help you earn money. So before we dive in, comment hashtag affiliate marketing, hashtag digital softwares. Now let's dive into the world of digital software affiliate marketing. Okay guys, now back on my laptop screen. The first step we have to take in order for this method to work is to go over to a site called SendinBlue.com. So on the website, as you can see, SendinBlue.com is a website where you can essentially get email marketing. If you had a business, you can automate your email marketing with SendinBlue. But we are not here to buy this SendinBlue for email marketing. We are here to make money with SendinBlue. And to make money with SendinBlue, we have to promote SendinBlue as an affiliate. So all we have to do is just scroll down, scroll to the bottom of this page and click on partner with us here to send us to this page. And on this page, all we have to do is click on the join the blogger program. All we have to do is just click on the join blogger program. It is bring us to this page. It will bring us to this page here. As you can see, this is the form to sign up for SendinBlue. So all you have to do is enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, verify you are not a robot, you agree to their terms of service, then you click on sign up now. So I have an account and I'll quickly log in so we continue the video. So after you finish signing up, you receive a message here that says, "Hi there, thank you for your interest in SendinBlue promotional partnership program. We are currently reviewing your application and you'll be notified once we get you aboard. Have a great day." So within 24 to 48 hours, you receive an email whether you have been accepted or you have not been accepted. And mostly, in many cases, you will be accepted. So if you get accepted, your link will be given to you. So let's assume that our affiliate link is this link over here. So we can proceed to the next step. And the next step is to head over to ChatGPT. Then all we have to do is give it a prompt to generate an article on the topic 5 reasons to start email marketing. Then we click on this send button here. Then all we have to do is wait for ChatGPT to generate this article for us. So after ChatGPT has finished generating this article for us, the next step we have to take for this method to work is to go over to medium.com. As you already know, Medium is a platform where you can post your blog post for free of charge and has a very, very high chance of ranking on Google, which means every time someone searches for that particular keyword in your blog post is likely to rank first. So all we have to do is just click on the get started button here and either sign up with Google, Facebook, or email. I already have an account, so I'll quickly sign in so we can proceed. So after you are done signing up or signing in, all you have to do is click on this button which says write. So after you click on the write button, all we have to do is just go back to ChatGPT and copy the topic here and go back to medium.com and insert it here which says title. So as you can see, the title is 5 reasons to start email marketing here. Then where it says tell your story, go back to ChatGPT and copy the content of the blog post which it generated for you here. Then you go back to Medium and paste it as your story. Go back to Medium and paste it as your story. Now we have to make some adjustment of the numbering. Then just click on the enter key here and type something along the lines, try the best email marketing software for free. Yeah. Then all we have to do is just highlight this here, make it bold, italic. Then we click on this chain icon. Then we click on this chain icon. Then assuming our affiliate link is this link, we just copy it here. And then we click on the chain icon. Once again, we highlight this, click on the chain icon here. Then we paste the link, click on enter. And now the link is embedded. So every time someone clicks here, they will be sent to the home page of SendinBlue. And when they sign up, we earn a commission. Thank you very much for watching the video. Be sure to subscribe and like this video because YouTube is telling me that about 90% of you guys watching my videos are not subscribed.